Hey guys, AK88 on cars. Okay, so we're going to do a quick 60-second review plus 10 facts of Walton equal length exhaust manifolds. Walton is a UK-based design and manufacturing facility. They established themselves in 2016 and they design all of their manifolds using CAD and develop them in small batches. All Walton exhaust manifolds are made out of 304 stainless steel to resist corrosion. One of the most unique things about Walton is they offer a lifetime warranty. This broadly covers everything except for when you're using anti-lack. All of their manifolds are TIG welded and back purged. They're purged using inert gas for cleaner and stronger welds. Each of their manifolds features equal length design and has an optimized collector design. The motorsport strength reinforcement uses reinforced flanging and bracing to reduce cracking under heat, cycle and vibrations. The high heat resistant design typically is engineered to withstand between 850 and 900 degrees centigrade exhaust temperatures.
For 10 interesting things in less than 60 seconds. Guys, I hope you liked this quick fire video. I made it because I couldn't find a lot of other reviews and detailed looks at this particular product. If you want to see what else is going on my car along with this, please check out the link above. And if you like the content, a subscribe is always appreciated. Catch you on the flip side.